Say something. Say something. English, English.
We are here in Kidanillo, Checho Kidanillo, Barangay Lungipilar, Sorsogon. This is our own province in Bicol region. That is my Kubo-Kubo. Look. Ayan si Juday. Juday. There is the private tricycle of Luigi Pamplona.
Pamplona.
Purong balan. I am inviting you to visit our beautiful place here in Bicol province.
Alright.
Province of Pilar, Sorsogon.
Bicolandia. Babush.
Ay pa.
Nababe na ba pa?